अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलाम अला अशरफिल अंबियाई वल मुरसलीन सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम एवरीवन।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
We'll get started. We'll be doing a Kahoot today. So there are two ways we could do this, and let me know which way works best. Either we could do super quick revision. We won't spend too much time, but we'll go through all of the questions, all of the translation, and then we jump to Kahoot. Or we could do Kahoot directly, and we'll elaborate on the sentences, on the grammar as we go. So do we want super quick revision, or we go directly to Kahoot?
Go direct.
Quick revision. We'll go through a quick revision and then we'll go.
Okay, let's do text. Okay, so whoever wants. Okay, let me just change my settings. Sorry. Just 1 second. Okay, here, whoever wants revision, you take on top. Whoever wants direct Kahoot, you can take at the bottom.
Where are the two Zahans?
Sorry, Adnan?
There are two Zahans because my phone is not, my laptop is not annotating.
Okay, so Adnan and Zahan want Kahoot.
No, I don't want Kahoot. Mine is the yellow one on top.
Okay, so a lot of people want revision. Okay, so we do revision. Okay, and this is going to be super fast revision. Okay, so you need to catch up quickly. What is Narun Baridatun?
Cold fire.
Cold fire. How do we say the fire is cold?
Al-narun baridatun.
Annaru.
Annaru baridatun.
Annaru. So at the moment you put al, you will make run into ru. So annaru baridatun. That will be the fire is cold. Okay. How do you translate this sentence? The people gathered and they said, "What shall we do?"
Saman nasu wa khalu maza nafalu.
Good. Again, Sadia.
Ijtama'an nasu wa khalu maza nafalu.
Very good. Ijtama'an nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. Someone else. Let's see someone else try translating the sentence. Who else wants to attempt? Zahan, Hifza.
اجتمع الناس وقالوا ماذا نفعل.
Naf'alu. Very good, Hifza. Ijtama'an nasu wa qalu madha naf'alu. Okay. Who can translate this? Ibrahim broke the idols and insulted our gods.
Ibrahimu kasara al-asnama wa ahana alihatana.
Very good. Ibrahimu kasara al-asnama wa ahana alihatana. Someone else? Adnan, what is this answer? और अफीफा, ये वाला आंसर, इब्राहिम ने सारे पुतलों को तोड़ा और उन्होंने इंसल्ट किया हमारे गॉड्स को, हमारे भगवान को. इसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करता है?
इब्राहिमा अल असनामा व अहाना
आलिहतना.
आलिहतना.
वेरी गुड. उन्होंने तोड़ा कैसे बोलता है? तोड़ने को उन्होंने तोड़ दिया, वो कैसे बोलता है? कसरा. इब्राहिमु कसरल असनामा. इब्राहिमु कसरल असनामा व अहाना आलिहतना. ये आंसर फिर से दो आफिफा, पूरा आंसर.
Ibrahimu kasaral asnama wa ahana alihatana.
Very good. Ibrahimu kasar al asnama wa ahana alihatana. Okay. So this question, anyone except Satya, who can give us this answer? And they asked, उन्होंने पूछा, what is the punishment of Ibrahim? What is this answer, Zahan?
Wasalu ma ikabu Ibrahima.
Very good. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. Zahan is busy doing something else. He's distracted. Okay. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. How do we say this? And they asked, what is the punishment of Muhammad? Hifza. Instead of Ibrahim, if I put Muhammad, how will we translate this sentence?
وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ
Muhammadin.
Muhammadin, because Muhammad is Arab name, it comes after of, so it will be Muhammadin. وَسَأَلُوا مَا إِقَابُ Muhammadin is the answer to this. This should ideally be Ibrahimin, Iqabu Ibrahimin, punishment of Ibrahim, but Ibrahim is a non-Arab name. So Ibrahimin or Ibrahimi will not come. It's not allowed. The closest you can put is Ibrahima. So that's why it is Ma Iqabu Ibrahima. But if it is Muhammad, you will say Ma Iqabu Muhammadin. Because Muhammad is an Arab name. You will follow the usual grammatical rule. Okay. They said, all of you burn him. Anyone except Sadia? Who wants to try this? Come again. Okay, Sadia, what is this answer?
Sahib Chacha.
Alu harikuhu.
Qalu hariquhu. Yes, Zahan?
Qalu harrikuhu.
Qalu hariquhu. If I modify this sentence and if I just say you burn it, okay, so if I tell Adnan, here is the book. Book is kitab, masculine. I say burn it. Burn it, O Adnan. O Adnan is Ya Adnanu. How do I say burn it? To one person, to Adnan. All of you burn him or all of you burn it is hariquhu. Hariquhu is all of you burn. Okay, and pay attention to the verb. Now, if I just say one person, if I just say Adnan, you burn it, how will I say it? Sadia, how will I say? Let's try. So Sadia, Zahan, Hifza, everyone is one chance. How will I say burn it, O Adnan?
Burn it will be
Ya
harikuhu.
Adnanu harrikuhu.
Come again.
Ya Adnanu harrikuhu.
Harikuhu, like this.
Yes.
Oh, the verb won't be there in between.
Okay, so no wow. We'll just say harikuhu. No, it is harikhu. Harikhu. So it is, the word is harraka. Harraka. Yuharriku. What is yuharriku?
He burns. He burnt. He burnt, ma.
He burns. Harraka is he burnt. Yuharriku is he burns. Who burns crackers during Diwali, for instance? Do you burst crackers, Adnan?
Yes.
Yes. So if I say Adnan bursts crackers during Diwali, I would say yuharriku because it is habitual action. But if I say last Diwali, if I say um, last Diwali, I would say al Diwali, ad Diwali, al Madi. Al Madi is the past Diwali. Adnan burnt crackers, I would say harraka. Harraka is past, yuharriku is present. Now, how do I say you burn? How do I say Adnan? Adnan, you always burn crackers during Diwali. How do I make it second person? What happens to yuharriku? I say you burn crackers.
To hurry.
Tuharriku. So I take out the u, I make it tu. Tuharriku is you burn. Now, how do I change this into a command? How do I say burn? Go and burn crackers. What are the two steps I need to do? To take a present tense verb and make it a command.
Ta and ka.
I take out this tu and I make this sukun. So harrik means burn. Burn it or burn him is harrikhu, which is this. Okay, so you take the second person present tense to harriku, you take out the two, the last vowel you make it sukun, harriku is you, one person burn him or one person burn it. Okay, and they said you all burn him. Let us see someone else try this. How do we say this? Hifza or Afifa, one of you. उन्होंने कहा तुम सब उसको जलाओ.
Kalu
Qalu
harriku.
harrikuhu.
Alu harikuhu. Very good. They ignited a fire and they threw in it Ibrahim. उन्होंने एक आग जलाए और उसमें उन्होंने फेंका इब्राहिम को. How do we translate this?
Awqadu naran walqaw Ibrahima.
Iha Ibrahim.
फीहा. उसमें उन्होंने फेंका इब्राहिम को तो अलकाउ फीहा इब्राहिमा. वेरी गुड अफीफा, वेरी वेरी गुड. फिर से पूरा सेंटेंस.
Awqadu naran walqaw fiha Ibrahima.
वेरी गुड. अवकदु नारन व अलकाउ फीहा इब्राहिमा. अल्लाह हेल्प्ड इब्राहिम. अल्लाह ने इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम को हेल्प किया, उनकी मदद की. ये कैसे बोलते हैं?
Allahu nasara Ibrahima.
वेरी गुड.
अल्लाह
अल्लाह
नसरा
इब्राहिम. अल्लाह हेल्प
उमेश नदाल को दे.
मोहम्मद कैसे बोलेंगे? अल्लाह ने मोहम्मद की मदद की.
Allahu
अल्लाह
nasara Ibrahim.
कसरा मुहम्मदा मुहम्मदिन.
Muhammadin.
ठीक है, ये वाला आंसर क्या है? लेट अस राइट दिस आंसर. अल्लाह हेल्प्ड मोहम्मद. अल्लाहु ना सरा. यहाँ तक बहुत क्लियर है. व्हाट अबाउट मोहम्मद?
Muhammadin.
मुहम्मदिन.
Muhammadin.
मोहम्मदिन ऐसे.
Yes.
ठीक है, किसी और को लगता है कोई और आंसर है? बिकॉज वेरी सिंपल. तो जहां पे आप फत्था डालोगे, हम फत्था कहां पे डालते हैं? Where do we put fatha, Sadia Zahan?
It's an Arab name. You put
Arabic name.
All right. So general where you put fatha is where it's a detail of an action. Okay, you put fatha. Where do you put kasra? Where do you put single or double kasra?
After of.
After of, or after words like min, ala, ila, you will put e. Now the exception here is female names. They cannot have double. So they cannot have double fatha, they cannot have double kasra, they cannot have double dhamma, and they cannot have kasra. Okay, so this is female names and Arab names. Now think on these terms. Female names and Arab names have an exception. They cannot take this.
साहब female names का और एक time बोलो.
Female names or Arab names, they cannot take double vowels. I cannot have Khadijatan, Khadijatun, Khadijatin. I cannot have Rahilatan, Rahilatun. It will only be Rahilata or Rahilatu. Is all you can have.
Okay. It can have single of anything.
No, it cannot have single kasr also. It can only have U or A.
Okay. Jazakallah khairna.
Welcome. So now on that basis, Muhammadin, what is it? Is it detail of action? Is it after of? Is it after min, Allah, ila?
It's detail, no?
It is detail. So Allah helped who? Allah helped Muhammad. So it is detail. Now next, is it an Arab name? If it is a non-Arab name, then you cannot put the an. You need to do something about it. But is this an Arab name or a non-Arab name?
Arab name.
It's an Arab name.
Okay, so what's the answer?
Then
Then is after of or after min, Allah, ilah, or similar words.
Be Muhammad.
So Muhammadan.
It has to be Muhammadan because Allah helped who? Allah helped Muhammad, and Muhammad is Arab name. So you don't change. You leave it Muhammadan. With Ibrahim, Ibrahim is a non-Arab name. You cannot have Ibrahiman. You'll make it Ibrahima. That's only for Ibrahim. Muhammad stays Muhammadan. Okay. So again, Allah helped Ibrahim. What is the answer?
Allahu Nasara Muhammadan.
Muhammadan. That's Allah helped Muhammad. Allah helped Ibrahim is Allahu Nasara Ibrahima. Because I cannot put Ibrahiman, I put Ibrahima. Very good. Allah said to the fire. Who can give me this answer?
Wukhala lin nari.
Allah linnari is he said to the fire. I need the subject to be Allah. How do I make the subject as Allah instead of he? You say Qala Allahu linnari or Allahu Qala linnari. What is this answer, Adnan?
Allah Linnari.
Allah linnari is Allah
Allah nil.
for the fire.
Allah nil.
Khala.
Allahu Qala linnari.
Allahu Qala Linnari.
Very good. Allahu Qala linnari. Okay. So Allah said to the fire, O fire, Ya Naru, become cold and peaceful upon Ibrahim. How do we translate this sentence?
Ya Naru Kuni Bardan wa Salaman ala Ibrahima.
Very good. Ya Allah, Ya Naru, Kuni Bardan wa Salaman ala Ibrahima. Someone else give us the answer. Oh, Ya Naru, Kuni. Kuni is you become. Cold is Bardan, peaceful is Salaman. Ya Naru, Kuni Bardan wa Salaman ala Ibrahima. Someone else give this answer.
Ya Naru Kuni Bardan wa Salaman ala Ibrahima.
Very good. Ya Naru, Kuni Bardan wa Salaman ala Ibrahima. Now if I replace the fire with water, okay, and if I had to make this sentence that someone says, I say, oh water, become cold and peaceful upon Ibrahim. How will I make this sentence? If I take out fire and if I put water.
Ya Ma'u.
Ya Ma'u.
Very good. So, Ya Ma'u. And next.
Kuni Bardan wa Salaman ala Ibrahima.
Kuni is feminine. Ma is masculine. Kuni you would say to Nar because Nar is feminine, but Ma is masculine. So what happens to Kuni? becomes kun.
Kun bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim.
Allah Ibrahim. For example, kun yakun. Kun means become. So Allah says kun yakun. Allah says become and it becomes. So kun for yakun. So that is kun. This is the masculine form. Kuni is the feminine form. The masculine form is kun. So we tell Adnan. Adnan become a doctor. How would I say it? So I'd say, or if I say Zahan. Ya Zahanu become a doctor. How do I say become a doctor?
Kun.
Kun
Kun
Tabibu.
tabiban.
Tabiban.
Because kun is a verb. It says become. Become what? Become a doctor. So it becomes kun tabiban. Okay. Again, this sentence. O fire, become cold and peaceful upon Ibrahim. Someone else try to translate. What is this answer, Zahan? Ya Naru? Or Hifza? What is this answer?
Ya naru kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim.
Very good, brilliant. Ya Naru kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim. The people saw that the fire does not harm Ibrahim.
Ra'an nasu anan nara la tazurun Ibrahim.
La tadurru.
La tazurru.
Very good. Ra'an nasu, the people saw. Annan nara, that the fire. La tadurru, does not harm Ibrahim. Ra'an nasu, annan nara, la tadurru Ibrahim. Who else can give us this answer? Zahan is busy doing something else. Zahan is not giving answers. Okay. Who else wants to try? Ra'an nasu annan nara la tadurru is does not harm. Tadurru is she harms. La tadurru is she does not harm, she is the fire. Ibrahima is the detail. What is this answer, Hifza? Can you try?
Ra'an nasu annan nara la tadurru Ibrahim.
Ibrahima. La tadurru Ibrahima. Ra'an nasu annan nara la tadurru Ibrahima. Very good, Hifza. And the people saw that Ibrahim is happy and safe. Ra'an nasa, anna, that. Ibrahima, after anna, we have Ibrahima. Ra'an nasu, anna, Ibrahima. How do we say happy and safe? How do we say happy and safe? Sadia?
Wara'an nasu anna Ibrahima masrurun was saliman.
Wasalamun.
Salaman.
Salamun. Okay. Last practice before we go to the quiz. How do I say, I am happy to meet you? How do I say I am happy? How do I say I?
Ana.
Anna, very good. Now how do I say happy? We just saw happy. Ibrahim
Masrurun.
is happy.
Masrurun.
Masrurun.
Again?
Masrurun.
Masrurun.
Anna masrurun is I am happy. Anna masrurun. In English we say to meet you. In Arabic we say with meeting you. I'm happy that I have met you, that I'm happy with meeting you. So you say bi muqabalatika. Ana masrurun bi muqabalatika is I'm happy to meet you, or I'm happy with meeting you. So this is the
Can
same
you
masrur.
pronounce those last two words again?
Ana masrurun bi muqabalatika. Muqabla. I'm happy that I've had a muqabla with you. I've had a meeting with you. Ana masrurun bi muqabalatika. So the same masrurun. Masrurun means I'm happy or I'm pleased. Okay. So with that, let's jump to Kahoot and let me just give you the code. Okay, go to kahoot.it and the code is 2604135. Let me put this also on WhatsApp. 2604135. Okay, you have the game pin on WhatsApp. Let me go back to Kahoot. Zahan is in, Hifza is in. Sadia is also in. Okay, we are missing Hazik. Hazik is also in. We have Adnan, we have Zahan, we have Sadia, we have Rahil auntie. We are only missing Afifa. Okay, Afifa is also in. Okay, are we missing anyone? I know
Nahid
Sidra
auntie?
has connection issues. Anyone apart from Sidra whom we are missing?
Nahid auntie?
Nahid auntie is busy today.
She's
Nahid
not
auntie
even
is
in the
not
class.
Okay, so we have 7 people. Let us start. First question, my sister is a student. How do I say this? Blue is ukhti talibatun. Red, ukhti at-talibati. Orange, ukhti at-talibatu.
What's blue?
Blue is ukhti talibatun. Okay. Correct answer is ukhti talibatun. I'm not sure who is red because I was expecting we only have 7 people. Ukhti talibatun. Blue is the correct answer. Next question. Ibrahim insulted our gods.
Insulted
Blue, ahana Ibrahimu alihatana. Red, ijtama an nasu alihatana. Orange, awqada Ibrahimu alihatana. He insulted is ahana. Ibrahim insulted our gods is ahana Ibrahimu alihatana. 5 people correct. Someone got this wrong. Sadia, Afifa, Adnan, Hifza, Rahil auntie have gotten both answers correct. Let's continue. Third question, the fire does not harm Ibrahim. Blue, la yalqu annaru Ibrahima. Red, La yaqidun naru Ibrahima. Orange. La tadurrun naru Ibrahima. Okay, we got 6 answers this time. Someone has not answered. Okay, Afifa has not answered. Sadia, Adnan, Hifza, Rahil Aunty, Zahan. Looks like you've gotten all answers correct. But Sadia is fast. Let us see if Sadia can also get all of the answers correct without making mistakes. That's the test for Sadia, and Adnan is also doing well. Very good, Adnan. Next question. The people gathered. लोग इकट्ठा हुए या जमा हुए? Do Raja an Nasu, right? Ijtama an Nasu. Orange. Ahana Ibrahimu. The people gathered is Ijtama an Nasu. Almost everyone got this correct. Okay, someone fell. Adnan got this wrong. Hifza, Rahil Aunty, Zahan, Afifa, all of you got it correct. Very good, Afifa. तुम top 5 में हो. ऐसे continue करो. Question देखो और सही answer mark करो. Very good to the top 5. We will continue. Ibrahim was happy and safe. Ibrahim खुश और सलामत थे. Blue काना इब्राहिमु गादिबन व जामिअन. Red काना इब्राहिमु जालिसन व वाक़िफन. Orange काना इब्राहिमु मसरूरन व सालिमन. Correct answer is orange. In fact, Kana Ibrahimu Masururan was Salaman would have been a better answer. So instead of Saliman, Salaman would have been better. Kana Ibrahimu Masururan was Salaman. Now question, should it be Masrurun or Masruran?
Masrurun.
Sadia says it should be Masrurun. When you have Kana, so if I just say Ibrahim is happy and safe, I would say Ibrahimu Masrurun wa Salamun. Like I would say Adnanu Talibun, Adnan is a student, I would say Ibrahimu Masrurun. Ibrahim is happy wa Salamun. When I put Kana, this detail has to be Masrurun wa Salamun. So that's because of Kana. So when I put Kana Ibrahimu, when I make it past tense, this adjective or this noun has to be in the fatha form. That's the rule of Kana, which we'll see later. That's just when you put Kana, the Masrurun wa Salamun would become Masrurun wa Salamun. Okay, top 5 got this correct. Looks like either Hazik or Adnan also got this correct. Very good. So we'll continue. Next question, bonus question, double points. O Sadia, become a teacher. How do we say this? Do La ya Sadia kuni muallimatan. Red ya Sadia kuni talibatan. Orange ya Sadia kuni muhandisatan.
Sakitacha, I think so. I've dropped out of Kahoot. Can I join in back?
Okay, Zahan. Okay. Ya Sadiyatu kuni muallimatan is the correct answer because muallim
Muallim is teacher.
mudarris is teacher. So mudarris or muallim is teacher. This
Talib student.
Talib is student. There's one more error also in this sentence. No, there's no second error. The only error in this sentence is talibatan is student. Teacher is muallim or mudarris. So correct answer is blue. Ya Sadiyatu Kuni Muallimatan.
Sakib Chacha, I have joined back.
Okay. So looks like Hifza Rahil auntie also got this wrong. Zahan Sadia got this correct, and someone else also got this correct. So maybe Adnan or Hazik. Ya Sadiyatu Kuni Muallimatan is the answer. How do I say? Oh, Hifza, become an engineer.
या हिफ्जा कूनी मुहंदिसतन मुहंदिसतन
Ya Hifzatu or Ya Hifza Kuni Muhandisatan. Because become what? Become an engineer. So it has to be Muhandisatan. How do we say, oh Afifa, become a doctor?
या अफीफा कूनी तबीबतन
Tabibatan.
Tabibatan. Ya Afifatu Kuni Tabibatan. Okay, next question. What is Ibrahim's punishment? Blue, Ma Iqabu Ibrahima. Red, Ma Ummidu Ibrahima. Orange, Ma Ahana Ibrahima. It is Ma Iqabu Ibrahima. What is the punishment of Ibrahim? Punishment is Iqabu. One second.
Sakib Chacha, please mute everyone.
Yes, done. Okay, let us continue. Oh, looks like Hifza got this wrong. So Rahil auntie is number
Everybody
3.
got correct.
Everybody got correct.
Okay, so Rahil auntie was faster than Hifza. So Rahil auntie has gone slightly up. Okay. Nafifa is number 5. आप आंसर मार्क कर पा रहे हो आफीफा? शायद आपने आंसर मार्क नहीं किया इस ये वाला आंसर. Okay, let's continue. Next question. I want an egg, please. Blue, Uridu Baidatan min fadlika. Red, Arada Baidatan min fadlika. Orange, Yuridu Baidatan min fadlika. I want is Uridu. Uridu Baidatan min fadlika. What is the meaning of Arada Baidatan min fadlika?
Is Arada I intend?
That is Uridu. I intend or I want. What is Arada? Think of Arada Nasu an Yasjudu lil Asnami. What is Arada? Arada, is it past tense or present tense? It has to be past or present tense. Is it past or present? Arada Nasu. What's the translation of this sentence? Arada Nasu an Yasjudu lil Asnami. Quickly, guys. Let us try. You're only going to learn by making mistakes.
Arada Nasu is the people wanted.
The people wanted. Very good. So what is only Arada?
The people.
People is Nasu. So if I take out Nasu and I just say Arada, what does it mean?
They wanted.
He wanted.
He.
He wanted. Arada Nasu, I use a singular form. When the Arada comes first. Arada is he wanted. What's present tense of Arada? How do I say he wants? Adnan wants an egg. Adnan wants scrambled egg. How do I say Adnan wants?
Nanu Arada.
Adnanu Arada.
Adnan Arada is Adnan wanted, but Adnan wants. He wants now.
Urida.
Urida.
Yuridu.
Uridu.
Yuridu.
Uridu.
Uridu is I want. He wants is Yuridu. Here you have to do opposite. You have to take Uridu, take out the Hamza, put Ya. Yuridu is he wants. Arada is he wanted. He wants is Yuridu. And from Yuridu you get Uridu.
So Yuridu is
He wants. For example, if you say Adnan wants an egg for breakfast, or if you say Zahan wants an egg for breakfast every day, you say Yuridu Zahanu Baidatan Lil Faturi. Zahan wants an egg for breakfast. So that's Yuridu. It's habitual or it's present tense.
Sakib Chacha, Kahoot is taking my answers twice.
Because have you logged in from both your laptop and
No. This 2987 was my old account where I got when I dropped down.
You can't get 29 plus 63.
I know.
Zahan is answering questions twice. Okay, well, I'll sort this out at the end, Zahan. Looks like you've answered some questions twice with both accounts.
Because Kahoot is telling me there is some other person with your name, but I haven't joined twice at all.
Okay, I'll sort it out towards the end, Zahan. So I know the report that I get at the end shows me each question and who has answered which question, who's gotten it correct, who's gotten it wrong. So let me see how many questions you've answered twice. So I'll do that at the end. For now, I only take the score because you've gotten scores for this account and oops, looks like I've cut you by mistake. Okay, so Zahan, you continue with this account, the 2987. And what was the other score, Zahan? I cut you out by mistake. So 69.
6319.
631.
6319. Okay, so I need to add this at the end. Okay, so let me see if I still have your report or not. Okay, let's continue. Are you in Kahoot, Zahan?
No, I'm not
Okay.
in Kahoot.
Try coming again
Yes.
from another account. I clicked you by mistake and I took you out. Okay, so while you join, Zahan, let me continue. Next question. What is the punishment of Muhammad? Blue, ma iqabu Muhammada. Red, ma iqabu Muhammadu. Orange, ma iqabu Muhammadin. Is ma iqabu Muhammadin. Orange. Okay, looks like Afifa did not answer. Adnan is back up. Zahan has a new account.
Sakib Chacha, you can remove Zahan dot.
No, let
It's
it
not
be
me.
the Zahan. Okay, so Zahan is somewhere on top. Rahil auntie, at least as per this, is second. Hifza is third. Adnan is fourth. Next question. I helped him. Blue, taraktuhu. Red, nasartuhu. Orange, raja'tuhu. I helped him is nasartuhu. How do we say he helped him? he helped him. For example,
Nasara.
Zahan helped Adnan. Again, what's the answer?
Nasara.
Nasarahu. Nasara is he helped. Nasarahu, he helped him. How do we say Zahan helped him?
Zahanu Nasara. Zahanu Nasaruhu.
Zahanu,
Nasaruhu. Lahu.
again,
Zahanu Nasaruhu.
Nasarahu.
Nasarahu.
Nasara is he helped. So Zahanu, Nasarahu. Or I can also flip the order. I can say Nasarahu, Zahanu. That's also correct. Nasarahu, Zahanu. So Sadia is doing well. Rahil auntie is number 2. Hifza is number 3. Zahan, I took him out. He's answered few questions twice. We'll try to reconcile at the end. And Adnan is 4th. Good Adnan. Afifa is not answering. Looks like Afifa has Kahoot issues. Next question. They threw in the fire Ibrahim. Blue, Alqaw Finnari Ibrahima. Red, Ahana Finnari Ibrahima. Orange, Ijtama'a Finnari Ibrahima. Very good. They threw in the fire Ibrahim. Who can tell me what's the answer?
Blue.
Blue. And how do you read it?
Nari Ibrahima.
Very good. Again, Sahan.
Alqaw fi nari Ibrahima.
Finnari. Fi al nari. Ibrahima. ये आंसर क्या है अफीफा? उन्होंने आग में फेंका इब्राहिम को.
Alqaw fi nari Ibrahima.
Very good. Alqaw Finnari Ibrahima. Very good, Afifa. Okay. Looks like everyone got it correct. I'm not sure about Hifza. Looks like she also got it correct. Or maybe she got this wrong. Okay, let's continue. What is the punishment of Khadija? Blue, ma iqabu Khadijati. Red, ma iqabu Khadijata. Orange, ma iqabu Khadijatu. What is the punishment of Khadija? Answer is red. Who can read the answer and tell us what is the answer?
Ma ikabu Khadijata.
Ma'iqabu Khadijata. How do we say what is the punishment of Muhammad?
Ma ikabu Muhammadin.
Ma'iqabu Muhammadin. Very good. Okay, Rahil auntie got this wrong. Sadia, Hifza, Adnan got this correct. And Zahan is somewhere at the bottom catching up. Next question. They ignited a fire. उन्होंने एक आग जलाई. Blue, awqadu naran. Red, iqabu naran. Orange, ijtama'a naran. They ignited a fire. Answer is blue. Who can read the answer or tell the answer for us?
Awqadu naran.
Awqadu naran. How do we say they ignited the fire? They ignited that specific fire. They ignited the fire.
Awqadu an-naru.
Awqadu
An-naru. An-nara.
an-nara, because it is detail. Awqadu, what did they ignite? It is detail of awqadu. It is detail of the verb. It has to be awqadu an-nara. Okay, Adnan got this wrong. Sadia, Rahil, Auntie Hifza, very good. You all got it correct. Next question. Burn him. All of you burn him. तुम सब उसको जलाओ. Blue, हरिकुहु. Red, alqauhu. Orange, awqaduhu. You all burn him is harikuhu, blue. Very good. All correct except one. Okay, the second Zahan is back up. Adnan is also doing well. Adnan is number 4 or number 5 because we don't have Zahan in. And Sadia is very good. Sadia has all correct answers so far. Bonus question, double points. Become cold and peaceful. To female. If you had to say to nar, to fire, become cold and peaceful, how will you say it? Blue, kuni iqaban wa harriqan. Red, kuni bardan wa salaman. Orange, kuni iqaban wa dahishan. Become cold and peaceful. Answer is red. Who can say the answer for us?
Kuni Bardan wa Salaman.
Very good. Afif, answer क्या है? Become cold and peaceful. ठंडे.
कूनी बर्दन व सलामन.
Very good. Kuni bardan wa salaman. Okay. Sadia, Rahil, Auntie, Hifza, correct. Zahan, looks like you got this answer wrong. And Sadia has all correct answers so far. Sorry, Zahan?
I've got this wrong.
Okay. Next question. Bonus question, double points. What did you eat this morning? To a boy. Masculine form. Blue, Mada ta'kulu hada sabaha. Red, Mada ya'kulu hada sabaha. Orange, Mada ta'kulu hada sabaha.
Sorry, Pratha, what is the difference between first and last?
I think I got this wrong. I've made a mistake. So you can either do blue or orange if you think the answer is ta'kulu. Okay. So the answer is blue or orange. So red is wrong.
I got it orange.
You did orange. Okay.
But yellow is man ho gaya.
Oh, right. So yellow is ma. That was the mistake. Okay. Okay, right. So orange is actually wrong because it is ma. It has to be mada. And why should it be mada and not ma?
It's before a verb.
Because it is verb. Because what did you eat? So eating is an action. So you say mata takulu. You do not say ma takulu. Okay, looks like in a hurry. I also did not catch it, Adnan. It's okay. So what's the answer, Adnan? What did you eat this morning?
Maza takulu haza sabaha.
Hata sabaha. Actually, this should be what do you eat? Or say what do you want to eat rather? Because takulu is you eat. It's not did. So did past tense. A better one would be mata akalta. Akalta is what did you eat or what you ate this morning. So better answer would have been akalta. Takulu is more habitual. Had I say what do you eat every morning? I could use takulu, but this morning you've already eaten. Akalta, which is you've already eaten, would be a better answer. But you cannot use ma. Ma is only used with nouns. For example, what is punishment? What is the profession? Or which class are you studying in? I could use ma with a noun. I cannot use it with a verb. Okay, Zahan got this right. Sadia, Rahil, Auntie Hifza also got it right. So last question, let us see Sadia if she gets this also correct. And Rahil, Auntie Hifza are very, very close. So this question will probably decide who's second and third. Let us see how it goes. Last question. The weather is cold. How do we translate this? Blue, al-jawu baridun. Red, al-jawu haratun. Orange, al-jawu baridatun. Answer is blue. Who can read or say the answer for us?
Al-jawu baridun.
Al-jawu baridun. The weather is cold. How do we say the weather is hot?
Al-jawu narun.
Al-jawu narun.
Al-jawu
The weather is
harun.
fire. Al-jawu harun. Very good. Let me next go to the podium. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so let's see the podium. Number 3 is Hifza. Number 2 is Rahil Aunty, 14 out of 17. First is Sadia. All answers correct. Very good, Sadia. Congratulations. Zahan is somewhere in between. And fifth seems to be Adnan.
No, sir, we are fourth.
Yeah, because Zahan, I took him out by mistake. Zahan is somewhere second or third.
I'm in second place.
You're in second place, but you answered quite a few questions twice, Zahan. And maybe I cannot find out.
Sakituja, that wasn't me. That was somebody else.
How can it be someone else, Zahan?
There's only one Zahan.
So Zahan has answered some questions twice, but unfortunately I could have found out had I not taken him out by mistake. So let's try to catch Zahan next time, what he's doing and how he's getting insane scores. Okay, so with that we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Let me try to see on Zahan's scores and let me try to find out how he gets insane scores, but maybe I can't do it this time. Let me try to catch him next time. Ma salama. See you all next Saturday, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair, ma.
Wa yakum.